Good morning. My name is Mr. Harmon. Welcome to Mr. Harmon's class. This morning, I'd like for us to work on the golden ratio. We'll begin with a point, as always. Put it in our paper. That's the point. Now, everything begins with the point. From the point, we can make a construction line. Now, I'll take my compass. Put it on my construction line, open it up, scribe a circle. Now we'll find the center of the circle. Connect our 2 points that we've just created. Now we have our perpendicular lines. The circle's been divided into fourths. Now I'm going to square this circle. I'm going to go back to the original radius, and I'm going to come up to each intersection and make a mark. Now I'm going to close off this. Now I'm going to close off these marks into a square. I'm going to extend the lines out to the right because we're going to construct our golden rectangle from these measurements. Now, we began with a point, we extended the circle, we have the square now that's around the circle, now we've extended our lines out. The next step is to connect. We're going to divide the circle in half and connect the triangle, make a right triangle. Now, we've divided this whole area up into 2 units. This is 1, 2, and this is 1. So what we have here is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This is going to be 1, and this will be 2. So we have 1 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. That's 1 plus 4 equals c squared. It's 5 equals c squared, which means the square root of 5 equals c in the Pythagorean theorem. This hypotenuse is the square root of 5. So if I take that measurement, this is the square root of 5. Bring it down here. I'm going to go up here to the middle part and connect it over here also. Now if I connect this, now we have the golden rectangle. Now I'm going to darken this. And there we have it, the golden rectangle. I'll go ahead and erase the formula up here. Now what we have is this measurement from here to here. This is the square root of 5, and this is 1 unit here. So now this is the square root of 5 plus 1 divided by 2 gives us 1.61. That's the square root of 5 is 2.23 plus 1. That's 3.23 when you divide that by 2. We get 1.61. That's the number equals phi, or 5, in the Greek alphabet. Now what we can do with this, since we already have our rectangle now, if we take the measurement of this side, make it a square, that leaves this proportion on the side. I'm going to go ahead and make this side. I'm going to get the measurement from this one. Get my measurement right here. It's a little off. And if I continue, take my square from this, and all I'm doing is marking off a square measurement out of each. This next spot has been another golden rectangle. If I continue this, and if we were to do the same in the middle, and there we would have it. I can do that like this. 1 plus 1 equals 2. This would be 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 3 equals, that's the proportion. Little rectangle. We've also figured out the Fibonacci sequence, which is the 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. That's the Fibonacci sequence. And now let's look at the Fibonacci spiral. What we'll do is connect each of these measurements. That one came out a little long. And we're going, we make the spiral from here to here. Then continuing, enlarge to the next measurement. The next, I was a little bit shy on that one. Now I'm going to come down. I'll just kind of figure out what we got. And there we have the Fibonacci spiral, the spiral coming from the angles.